Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, before we jump into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, in this video, I am taking a look at the MoonWalker Expert Advisor for MT4 and MT5. And according to the marketplace information, right, we can see that this expert advisor is developed by Way2. So we're just going to be going through the marketplace listing, look at the features and requirements provided by the developer, and then review the historical backtest performance and results. So starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that MoonWalker EA is currently priced at 599 US dollars. The version shown is 1.36, updated on January 17th, 2023. And the developer describes it as an intelligent Forex trading advisor that uses a nighttime scalping strategy. So the listing specifically mentions that this is the MT5 version, but you can see that there is an MT4 version as well. Okay. Now, moving further down the page, the developer provides a list of supported currency pairs, including AUD CAD, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP CHF, GBP USD, and USD CHF. One interesting point is that the EA is designed to run multiple pairs from a single chart, which can simplify deployment and management. Looking at the features section, MoonWalker EA is described as fully automated and capable of automatically switching pairs every month. The developer also states that it can automatically detect time zones and daylight saving time, which may help reduce manual configuration requirements when setting up the system. Okay. Another notable feature is that the EA operates with only one order at a time, and specifically states that it does not use martingale or grid techniques. The listing also mentions the use of pending orders to help reduce slippage as much as possible, along with advanced algorithms for trade placement, modification, and exit management. Okay, the developer further highlights multiple exit mechanisms and a focus on high profits to loss ratios. Risk management is also emphasized through the use of predefined stop loss protection, with the description stating that every trade has risk defined in advance. As for requirements, the EA can be used on any time frame according to the listing, and the minimum recommended deposit is $50. Leverage should be 1:500 or higher, and the developer recommends using an ECN hedge account along with a Windows VPS environment. So now let's just move over to the back testing section and review the historical testing performance. All right. Let us start by looking at the provided information. Here I can see that on the full auto trade mode from 2016 to 2022, auto lot 0.01 on $100, the EA seems to have transformed $100 to $29 million. And here we can see quite amazing results. This is showing 2018 to 2022. All right, this shows full auto trade mode 2016 to 2022, auto lot 0.01, $100 to 29 million. Okay, now let's just head over to our strategy tester. Right, let's see how the MoonWalker EA performed on GBP USD on the H1 time frame. We're testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. That covers about 5.5 months, right? And then for the delays, we are using we are using random delay, right? For some level of accuracy, right? Instead of using a fixed delay, we are using random so that to capture, the fluctuations. And then for the modeling, we are using every tick. And here, looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 20.11. And out of 120 total trades taken, 85 were profitable. So that gave us a 70.83% win rate. And the largest profit was $1.58. The largest loss was $6.01. The average profit was just 46 cents. Wow, that's low. And the average loss is $1.68. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. We can see the difference between the average profit and average loss is wide. 46 cents for the profit, $1.68 for the loss. Okay. And then as we examine the completed historical results, it is important to remember that we are looking at past data rather than future expectations. Okay. So when reviewing these tests, I like to focus on overall consistency, drawdown behavior, trade frequency, and how the equity curve develops throughout the testing period. Okay. So looking at the chart activity, the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the information provided by the developer. Since the EA is described as using a nighttime scalping strategy and operating one trade at a time, the trade history may reflect a more controlled position management approach compared to systems that allow multiple simultaneous recovery positions. The marketplace description also highlights the use of pending orders and multiple exit mechanisms, which are factors worth observing when reviewing how positions were managed throughout the historical testing period. As always, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Extending the testing period, the evaluating multiple supported, extending the testing period and evaluating multiple supported currency pairs can actually help, provide additional insight beyond a single historical report. So when reviewing the final results, keep in mind that historical backtest results are not guarantees of future performance. Okay, actual trading outcomes can vary based on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, risk settings, position sizing, and user optimization choices. Okay, overall, the MoonWalker EA actually presents itself as a fully automated MT MetaTrader, nighttime scalping system with predefined stop loss management, single order operation, and support for multiple currency pairs from one chart. As always, thorough testing and optimization should be completed before considering any live deployment. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.